Write out your actions. That's it, you can end the video right now. There were so many days. I had multiple hours, a plan, a system. I knew exactly what I wanted to code. I could have the most perfect sleep, the most optimized morning routine, but when I sat at my desk, I couldn't get myself to code. I would overthink everything to the point where I just didn't know where to start. So I did what anyone else does. I took a break and got something to eat, and while looking at recipes online, I noticed something. Everything was broken down into small, actionable steps. So making a meal doesn't seem that hard. I mean, if you think about it, taking raw ingredients and turning it into something delicious is a pretty hard skill, but it's also very similar to programming. That's when I developed something I call the recipe method. Whenever I was overthinking programming, I would take a deep breath and write down each step I needed to do for the next 10 minutes. This could be on pen and paper or a markdown file, and it would be the simplest things like open VS Code, set up my files, start live server. Don't make the list super long. Just think of tangible actions you can do in 10 minutes and reset it. So when I'm done, I can console log hello world, Google how to link JS to HTML again, write a function body. This pre-planning makes the whole process a lot less daunting, and it's really nice to see how your mind is thinking about problems in real time. There's this pervasive idea of eating the frog, doing the hardest thing first thing in the morning, but that's never really worked for me. What I found more helpful is getting small wins, having small feedback loops to know I'm on the right track, and eventually, these small wins build momentum, and no matter how small the victory, you can always share them with me. Thank you for your time. I am Big Box.